I saw it.
Oh, I felt that in my hip. Oh.
Cracked your shoe.
You bust my shirt open.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. I felt like a ton of releasing lower than I thought it would be. Like, not so much in my neck.
Oh shit.
Oh, my gosh. Oh.
Mother.
Oh. Oh, mother.
Breathe.
Ooh, I felt that. It felt like I felt a lot of pops in one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. That was
Right.
yeah, that was different. Wow, I felt that like a lot in the back of my neck.
Oh, I heard it. Boom! Like that thing.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
Oh. Wow. Okay. Okay.
Now question. How's the headache?
I don't feel it. I don't feel it. Yeah. I don't feel it.
It's just messed up, like my lower back.
What happened?
Not nothing that I know of. It's just, it's in pain like all the time, especially if I'm like really active and stuff.
Okay.
Like bending and doing a lot of stuff. It like gets worse.
How's this feeling down here?
It hurts.
Okay, so you still feel it a little bit.
I felt it all the way, like down on my lower back, like right where it's hurting,
Yeah.
and kind of like up here too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot up top and then a lot. Okay.
Yeah, I definitely felt it down there. Yeah, it feels better for sure.
Good.
Yeah.
Have you ever had this done?
No. Oh shit. Ooh, fuck. Sorry.
Okay. Catch your breath.
Girl.
What did you feel? Just rest.
Feeling from my upper back.
There we go.
I feel good.
Okay.
¿De qué son? I feel.
The bone, it goes back their spot, you know, like organizing.
How do you feel?
Okay, so good.
Good.
Oh, my God. It's so scary. I felt that way all the way down to like here.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one.
And you've seen how many videos?
Yeah, I know, right?
See, now you finally.
I know, I understand.
Yeah. Was it like, how did this compare? Because obviously you went to chiropractors before.
Right.
How was this?
Definitely
the decompression was like much better. Even like, because I've been to like the machines that are like decompression machines too.
Yeah.
And this was like a million times better for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
There it was.
My hips are probably off
Okay.
because when I do squats, I can feel like
2 months ago, number 3.
I had really bad sciatic nerve this pregnancy.
How'd that feel?
Better.
Alright, good.
Knocked the breath out of me. Just felt like everything in my back to my neck, literally like the back of my head down. Just.
Good.
I feel like I only come when I'm pregnant.
Really?
3 kids now.
Really? 3 times 3 kids?
I hate this part. I hate it, but I love it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have a 6th toe now. Oh, it feels like it. My feet are tingling. I mean, I'm taller. That's all I can describe.
What did you feel?
Relief. Relief. I feel peace. I feel happiness. I'm overwhelmed with joy.
And breathe.
Wow.
What did you feel?
Everything. That cracked all the way down to here.
Good. Rest. Yeah, you can tell your body you needed this.
That was amazing. I'm seeing stars in the best way possible. Like, oh my gosh. That's shocking how, like, wow. I sit and I hang from, whenever I'm at the gym, I'll hang from a pull-up bar, just trying to get relief.
Yeah.
And
Which can help.
but that pulled right where I feel the most pain, which is like down here in my lower back. And it popped it perfectly right there. Like, it's like I've been trying to get to that spot, like for God knows how long, and it finally happened.
Oh, that was going like all the way up to here.
Ooh. There we go.
I've been wanting that for, I'm not even kidding you, since like I got pregnant my 3rd time. I feel like from here
Yep.
all the way to like my shoulder, like up to here,
Okay.
constant pain.
You feel it.
I feel it like right here, pain.
Have you ever had the wires strapped on?
Never. Oh my God. I felt it like up to here. It's, oh yeah, you see?
At the beginning you
Yeah,
did that.
and it was hurting me right, yeah, no, doesn't hurt. Oh yeah, feels awesome.
Oh my goodness. Oh jeez.
What are you feeling?
Just my whole neck sensation, heat, sharp pain.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I felt that in my chest, in my abs. Seriously, in my knees and my feet. That one was, I could just go to sleep right Whew. Wow. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Oh my gosh.
Like you said, yeah.
This was the bad one. I think what I was like right here
Yeah.
15 minutes ago. Wow.
Breathe.
But I was in bed for 2 weeks. I couldn't even work. They did lumbar puncture.
Okay.
Since that, my life is totally different. It's the way, the hip,
Yep.
gluteal,
Yep.
especially right here.
Okay.
I can feel it. Got up.
Breathe. Have you ever had anything like that?
Never in my life, never. But it feels wonderful.
How do you feel?
Let me.
Do you think?
Much better. Much better.